Collocations are words that naturally go together in English. Today, we will look at some common collocations with the word go. Collocations are groups of words that sound right together. For example, we say go shopping and not go to shopping. Similarly, go abroad is correct, but not go to abroad. These combinations help English sound natural. The phrase go shopping means to buy things from stores. It is how we describe the action of visiting shops to purchase items. It is important to remember that we say go shopping and not do shopping or go to shopping. The phrase go abroad means to travel to another country. It is commonly used when talking about visiting foreign countries for holidays, work, or studies. We do not say go to abroad because abroad is an adverb of place and does not need a preposition. The phrase go crazy means to become very excited or angry. It is used to describe strong emotional reactions. We do not say do crazy or go madly. Instead, we use go crazy to express losing control in a situation. For example, fans go crazy when their team scores a goal. Or, when someone spends too much money without thinking, we can say they went crazy with spending. We say she went abroad to study to mean she traveled to another country for education. We also ask, have you ever gone abroad? When talking about visiting foreign countries. Examples of go shopping include I'm going shopping this weekend and let's go shopping after work. These sentences show plans to visit stores and buy things. Common collocations with go include shopping, abroad, and crazy. Using these phrases correctly will help you speak English more naturally and confidently.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.